YouTube!
Oh my gosh.
I'm Super Dan's Shoe Man. Back with another unboxing
expecting
for you
that.
today. I'm actually kind of excited to do this unboxing because there's a surprise for me in here. Hold on.
Sorry.
There's a surprise for me in here. And I'm excited. And you'll see what I'm about to give you from the word kind of pertains to this, but it also pertains to, what's the day, Haley? May the 20th, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The Jordan 4s come out tomorrow. I was notified today that I've already secured 2 pairs of them. And you know what I call that, Haley?
No.
Favor.
Oh, yeah.
And I'll get to some more favor in a minute. And I'm going to read you Isaiah 58, verse 11. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land, and he will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. A spring whose waters never fail. If I needed a drink of water, would I need a spring whose waters never failed, Haley?
Yes.
No, I wouldn't.
Yes, you would.
If they just stopped for a little while, I'd be fine. And then they started going later. I don't need water to be flowing 100% of the time.
Oh, okay.
In Venezuela, when I was born,
Mm-hmm.
you only got water pumped up to your building. Like we lived in a city, downtown Caracas, and
What? I'm listening.
but it was like every other day you got water pumped up to your building. The other days you didn't have running water.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need running water every day. But that says the what does it say? Like a spring whose waters will never fail, or waters never fail. To me, that shows me that it's not just giving me what I need.
Right.
Because I don't need water 100% of the time, but it's making sure that I've got that water all the time. And I think a lot of times we think of God as, when we think of God's favor and stuff, it's got to just be for what we need, because what we want is just what we want, and it's not that big of a deal. Sometimes we think that, but I think the things that we want are things that God still wants to give us, and he shows us favor by giving us those things. Mm-hmm. And so I think I got some favor. I think I got some favor here. I'm really not sure. I'm going to have to open this to figure it out. This box got here on Monday of this week. No, Wednesday of this week. This box got here today. Thank you. Mm-hmm. And it was on Monday that Adidas confirmed, Hibbett, whatever, all the slides dropped. There was Onyx, Pure, and my green glows. This is Green Glow, this is Onyx, and this is my blue tints. But Green Glow and Onyx. So these are our slides I already had. But they all dropped on Monday, and I hit on this one. This is the one. I'm fairly certain that this is the one that this is. But I thought they came in on Wednesday, which I was like, man, that's fast. They're already here. And when I got this one today, I was like, no, this is my Pure. I don't know what this is, but this is from Adidas, and it's addressed to Hesper. And she says she didn't order anything. So I'm excited to see what this is. We're going to open this one second, though. Let's open this one, because I know what this is. Well, I hope I know what it is. And I'm excited. How does this work?
It's just, yeah. Wait, I want to do this one. Oh, I can't. Okay.
Let's read this.
Boom.
All right.
Oh, that was nice.
Here we go. So, I got the Onyx slide on a trade from Trade Block, and you actually haven't seen that video, so I'm gonna have to make sure you see that video first. And it's a size 10. I got the Green Glow in size 12 from Society of Souls, and I got it through a raffle. I got it for less than free.
Less than free?
Yes. I got money too, and the 12 was too big. I mean, slightly. I could probably wear the 12. So when somebody offered me a good trade for the 10, I think I didn't even put this in the video. I traded the Mono Ice, my used Mono Ice, that Memory Lane didn't even want to give me money for. So for me to get a $200 slide, I was like, yeah, sure, I'll give it a try. And it's too small. I can't really wear that one. The 12 I could probably wear. But either way, I'm like, all right, well, I know I need to go true to size and get an 11. And I think it was out of 35 attempts between all the different raffles that were open for these slides, I hit on one, or maybe two. We'll see. So pure is, I didn't think
I like these.
was my favorite color because, but I like it more than I thought I would. I thought pure was a little bit darker than this. I'm not sure which color that is, but the darker one just looks like Dookie Brown. Like, why would anybody want to wear that? I think those are the ones that Isaac wears.
Oh,
Dookie Brown.
that's a red flag if Isaac wears it.
So
just kidding.
I'm happy that I got these. I am going to wear these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the 12 and the 10 yet. I like the green glows. Like Isaac's like, no, I don't like those crazy colors. Yeah, but these are slides, you know. The black is a normal color for a slide, but it's like I'm not wearing these to try to match an outfit. I'm wearing slides because
you need to wear slides.
You just got to put some shoes on real quick, you know, slide something on.
Right.
That's what slides are for, convenience, not to match the fit. So
my slides are to match the fit.
So I'll try to trade my green glow at least for an 11. The onyxes are okay, but I definitely don't need 3 pairs. 2 will be enough, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right. So I like this. Glad I hit on it. It's $70 still, which is kind of ridiculous, but it's still a slide. And Haley gets onto me when I wear my Walmart flip-flops because she's like,
because you don't have enough shoes.
She's like, you're not repping Super Dan and Shoe Man. I'm like, yeah, I guess so.
Now you can.
Now I've got the slides.
But don't leave the dogs out though.
Don't leave the dogs out.
Yes, your toes.
Wear socks.
Yes. That's just what everyone does.
All right.
You just gotta go with the flow.
Can I wear my different color socks?
Yes.
Okay.
That's okay. Just the dogs are your toes.
Gotcha.
That's what people say. That's what the cool kids say.
I didn't know that. They
Well,
say
the
that
more you
specifically
know.
about slides.
Yes, like when someone wears slides to school, they're like, "Oh my gosh, she got the dogs out." The amount of times I hear that every day. Not to me, just in general.
I think I know what this is. And Hesper did order this, but she ordered it on Amazon.
Oh, is it for?
I
Oh,
think it is.
yeah, it is. It's a 5.5.
It is. And she ordered it on Amazon. I checked Amazon today because she's like, no, I did. But this came from Adidas. And when I checked Amazon, it said it wasn't delivered yet.
Atticus is getting all the shoes.
Well, Atticus wanted a new pair of shoes, like play shoes, because I don't want to wear his nice shoes out. And
That's
this is... How much do these things cost? Hopefully not much.
They're not much at Foot Locker.
Like how much?
Like 40.
That's too much. Whatever. Okay, well, these are Hesper's. I was excited over nothing. But it's still favored because I got 2 pairs of the military Black 4s that are coming out. 2.
Whoop.
I got an in-store raffle at Finish Line. Come on, who gets those? I was just telling Haley, like, I think the only people that get those are the people that know somebody and pay that somebody. But apparently, I got the phone call today, so I'm going to head over there in the morning. And I did get one Yeezy slide. I was hoping they accidentally sent me 2. That's fine. So here it is. Actually, I don't want the on foot because my dogs are out. Are they dogs like hot dogs?
No, because sometimes people be like, your dogs are barking if you have ugly feet. They're like, your dogs are barking.
There's the green glow. I'm gonna do the left foot. Tell you which one I like better because this is a little tight. But do these things stretch? Do you know?
Yes, they do. They can like deform if you wear your feet. If you wear your feet. If you wear your shoes kind of weird, they'll
11
deform.
is it. True to size for me. Just a little bit tight because I'm a wide footer and so it doesn't want to fit in here. But this is just too long. So, all right, 11 it is. Thank you all for being here. Think about giving one of these away, I guess. That's cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm absolutely thinking about making another shark slide video just as a giveaway.
You're welcome.
Because Haley's video is doing so good. And a lot of new, 90, I think it has 5,500 views, over 5,500 views, and 92 to +% are not subscribed and like first time viewers. So...
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. I think it's gotten 10 subs or so in the last 10 days. So it is doing pretty good.
I wonder if any of those were someone's grandma.
And that means you've got to record that video. I'll record,
I'm okay with that.
I'll record it of you. And
Okay,
we'll just talk about the giveaway. And
Alright.
maybe make a short talking about the giveaway too.
Well, okay.
Because I think the shark slide is gonna do good as a short. But thank y'all for being here. Can't believe I hit on a Adidas confirmed Yeezy slide. What else?
To
MVS.
your grandma.
Tell your grandma because my most valuable sub giveaway, 2,000 subs, is coming up pretty soon. We're almost at 1,800 subs, and so right now, as we're leading up to having 2,000 subs in the giveaway, it's your opportunity to comment down below, comment something pertinent, comment something that we've talked about something that we talked about during this video, so that I can see that you're paying attention and watching the whole video. Obviously, make sure you're subbed. Make sure you smash that like button, tell your friends. But it's that comment, those kind of comments, that show me that you're engaged with this content and watching it. And that's what YouTube likes, so that's what I like when y'all actually watch it. Of course, that's why I want to do these videos, so that you'll watch them. So MVS, be the MVS. There's one person, XLXMXH, is that what I said?
Oh, something like that, yeah.
I think that's it. He watches all the videos, one of the first commenters, and always something pertinent. So, but he could be dethroned before 2,000 subs. So give it a try. Watch the videos, comment down below, and this will win you. The MVS will win any shoe they want up to a certain dollar amount, probably $400 on StockX. So whatever's hyped when it comes out, when we have the 2,000 sub video, it can be yours. Whatever might be coming out soon. If you want it, it's under $400. Let's do it, right?
Right.
And if it's over $400, but it's early, and I haven't already had it, we might go a little bit over 400 so that I can make a video on it first, and then I'll send it to you. Does that make sense, Haley?
Yes.
Is that a deal?
Yeah.
You bet.
You bet. Sorry.
Thanks a lot. Smash the like button. Tell your grandma, and I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.